What's up guys, Sal here. So Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S21 series, is making a lot of news lately before its official Unpacked event, which will happen in about a week. However, before the phones hit the market, a new video has appeared divulging all the features one could have hoped to learn about before the launch of these new high-profile devices. But first, Ice Universe has shared a screenshot from the Galaxy S21 Ultra settings menu confirming that the phone will indeed let users choose the adaptive 120Hz refresh rate and Quad HD Plus resolution at the same time, something that wasn't possible on the Galaxy S20 and Note 20 Ultra for some reason. Probably has something to do with power consumption. That said, Samsung's current devices are getting OneUI 3.0 with Android 11, but the Galaxy S21 will debut with OneUI 3.1, which will bring some exclusive features. We have a video from our friend Jimmy's promo, the link of which is mentioned in the description box, which shows these new cool features on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. First up, the director's view, a feature that was supposed to launch on the S20 which didn't materialize for some reason, but it seems like we'll see the feature on the Galaxy S21 series. This feature will allow you to record from multiple cameras at the same time. As you can see, the phone displays live views from 3 cameras simultaneously, plus you can also record from front camera while doing this. This is made possible by the triple ISP of the Snapdragon 888. Presumably the Exynos 2100 has similar hardware as well. The video doesn't go into specifics, but the feature may even allow recording from 2 or more cameras at the same time. Speaking of cameras, there are other improvements as well, including Focus Enhancer, which speaks for itself, and the ability to choose video resolution right from the recording screen, and portrait video, aka background blur in videos. Moving on, the phone will also let you choose either Google Discover or Samsung Free as your preferred newsfeed. If you're a type of person who doesn't like to have a newsfeed on the home screen, then you can still continue to disable it entirely. Another interesting feature OneUI 3.1 introduces involves call background videos that play while you're receiving a call, ranging from colorful shapes to more muted designs. You can also add dancing emoji character for a more silly tone as well. And then there is Continue Apps on Other Devices feature that will allow the user to continue using an app from where he or she left off on other devices signed into the same Samsung account. At launch, this feature will only be compatible with Samsung Internet and Samsung Notes. Users will also be able to copy text and images from the screen of a Galaxy S21 device and paste it on another Samsung phone sharing the same account information. It also shows the S Pen menu on the S21 Ultra, which confirms that the S21 Ultra will support classic S Pen features such as Air View, Air Command, and Screen Off Memo. The video concludes with some specs from the settings menu. It shows that this version of the Galaxy S21 Ultra packs 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. As a reminder, the Ultra will be the only one with a microSD card slot. Also, the battery capacity is 5000 mAh. FN Blast has also shared the official camera specs of the S21 lineup. As you can see, the S21 and S21 Plus will have the exact same camera setup, while the Ultra will feature a real flagship grade camera specifications. Of course, with that being said, let me know what you think about this down in the comments. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.